Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making the very last happy hour set that I needed. I did end up ordering this on eBay. Sometimes you can get pretty decent prices on there and they sometimes send you little goodies. This person sent me a tiny Corona bottle. Look how cute that is. I've also had people like hand make chopsticks that are miniature for my sets. I thought that was cool. That was hard for me to open. But today we're making dirty martinis. Serving tray inside is black. We have martini glasses, the olives that have holes on one side so we can skewer them. The resin. This is a very simple build and I really enjoyed this series. I hope that they make more. I'm sure there's a whole line of other beverages they can do, but these were tons of fun, really tons of funs, ton of fun, and a lot of cool like drinking glasses and different accessories. So here's the dirty martini. It's just clear liquid resin. Ooh, and I get to use my new resin thing today. That's exciting. So you're just gonna fill it up, add the olives, and then stick it in there. You can lay it across, which is how I've personally seen a lot of martinis, but I want mine to be connected, so I will be putting both of them like that. But let's go ahead and open this and take a look at the glass. I got a resin thing that stands up so it goes over this stuff so I don't have to stand and hold it with a flashlight. The only problem is I spent all day what I thought was charging it. No, it wasn't charging it. It actually has to be plugged in to use it. So that's slightly annoying, but I guess better. That way I don't have to always worry about it being charged. Why am I struggling with closing a box? There we go. And then what's in here? Nothing we need. Oh yeah, we do. We need these, which we've seen before in a different set. Let me cut the tape off of here. Okay. I guess I should have did the olive part first, but I guess it also really doesn't matter because it's not gonna really sink her. Oh no. Oh no. Let me go wipe that off. Okay, I cleaned it up. It wasn't too bad. But that is the problem with some of the taller glass stems. Very top heavy. And that's probably enough. I'll let it sit there for a minute while we do the olives. Doesn't feel like there's too much resin in there, but I do see some bubbles coming up, so we'll let those either naturally pop or we'll have to pop them. Now, I think they gave us 6 olives. Yes. These are very cute. The one's stuck in the corner in there. I think we only need 4 anyway, so I'll put that guy back. And this should be fairly easy. Yep. They look like grapes. Maybe they did do 3. You can do whatever you want, obviously, but let me look at the checklist. The checklist does show 2. Again, you have 2 extras in case you want to put 3 on there. I'm gonna space mine about like that. They have a funny like rubbery like feel to them, which is cool. And there is a bubble in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop that. And then just set it in there like that and cure it. And this one does have a bubble way at the bottom. I may not mess with that one, but I'm gonna angle this to the side and go cure that. It's still above but touching, so it'll be all one piece once it's cured. This is how it turned out. I think this looks great. It's such a simple and easy build. And for using the little resin cure thing, I'll bring it over here so you can see what it looks like. But yeah, that did it so quickly. I think it cured this in like 60 seconds. It's awesome. So out of 10, I think I give this one like probably an 8. It's very simple, very easy, And I'm happy that I have the entire collection now. Very exciting. And this is the device that I'm using to cure it. It collapses down like this. It feels kind of cheap. It's very light, but it works great. So you just flip it out, and it's pretty tall, so most things are going to fit under it. Or you could, hold it and then set it on there, or whatever you want to do. But it just has that kind of plug. The other end's USB, so you do need a block. It didn't come with a block, but there's just one button, turns it off. I think it does it in 60-second increments. And yeah, I'll link it below in case you're interested. But so far, so good. But if you'd like to see me make more Miniverse, make sure to subscribe, stay tuned. I collect the whole series, every series. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.